Hi everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to do a numerical question with you in Excel that will show you how you can calculate annual percentage rates, also called APRs, and effective annual rates, also called EAR. Similar problems have also appeared on the Quantitative Methods section of the CFA exam. This exercise will also help you see the extremely high interest rates that some entities called Payday Loans charge on their loans. So suppose a local loan shark offers 4 for 5 on payday. What it involves is that you borrow $4 from him and repay $5 on the next payday, which is 1 week later. So this is very typical of payday loans. What happens is that sometimes when you need money, but you're not going to get paid, say, until 1 week from now, you go to a payday loan facility and they say, okay, if you are going to get, say, $5 1 week from now, but you need the cash today, we can give you $4 today, but then 1 week later you give us $5. Okay, so that's what this payday loan is saying as well. Now the question is, what would the stated annual interest rate be on this loan with weekly compounding? And then secondly, assuming there are 52 weeks in 1 year, what is the effective annual interest rate on this loan? Now what you can do is that you can think of this question as asking you 3 different rates. The first is the weekly rate. In other words, how much is the interest rate that you're paying on a loan that you're taking out for 1 week? Because you're paying $5 after borrowing 4, you're essentially paying an interest of $1 on a $4 loan. So for 1 week, your interest rate is 0.25. Yes, 0.25, 25%. And that's the weekly rate. If somebody asks you how much is your stated rate or the APR, that's on an annual basis, you simply take your weekly rate, which is 25%, and multiply it by 52. Why 52? Because there are 52 weeks in 1 year. And so if you do that, you will get 13. It's not just 13, you have to convert it into a percentage. Boom, your APR is 1300%. If somebody asks you what is your effective annual rate, the difference is that they're saying, what if there was compounding happening every week? In other words, if you had a 25% interest, let's suppose the next week you had to pay interest on that 25% as well, and that keeps on happening for the entire year. So the way to do that is that there is a formula in Excel called effect. When you put that formula in, it asks you what is your nominal rate. Your nominal rate is your stated APR, which is 1300, and the number of periods per year is 52 because you're looking at 52 weeks in 1 year. So compounding is going to happen 52 times in 1 year. And so now if you do this, whoa, and mind you, this is still not in percentages. So one more thing right here. Yes, your effective annual rate is 10,947,544%. It is precisely for this reason that payday loans are also known as loan sharks, because they're literally out there to eat you up with all this interest rate that they charge you on these loans. So, piece of advice, if you feel strapped for cash, avoid going to payday loans. Try to find some money from your friends or family, or maybe borrow from a bank. But payday loans, I don't think that you want to pay 1300% APR or something like 10 million in effective annual rate. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And feel free to ask any questions using the comment section. Happy learning.